Hey everyone, this is Jared with CData, and in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a desktop assistant using the CData CLI tool. The CData CLI tool is designed to help developers and coding assistants build apps on top of CData drivers. But because it has access to live data through CData's drivers, you can actually just use the CData CLI tool as a part of your chatbot to create a desktop assistant to help you with your everyday tasks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask Claude to install the CData CLI using a curl command. All right, so it's installed. So now I want to get some information about my Salesforce data. So using the CData CLI, which of my Salesforce accounts has the most open opportunities? So it's at this point that the LLM is taking the time to learn how to use the CData CLI. Because it's a CLI and it's well documented, it has standard arguments. The LLM is able to explore everything that's available. And it actually discovered a pre-existing Salesforce connection that I was looking at. So now it's going through to understand the system that it's connected to, in this case, Salesforce. CData provides a SQL-like interface to all of the data sources that it connects to, but it wrote the SQL query and it got the command, so it was able to figure out which accounts had the most opportunities that were open, grouped by the account. And now let's figure out which of these opportunities is worth the most. So again, it's going to use its ability to write SQL queries based on its understanding of the SQL-like interface that CData provides through its drivers. And it found that there is $250,000 opportunity from Continental Oil and Gas. There's an enterprise expansion opportunity there that we want to follow up with. Notably, none of those belong to Silver State Banking, which has more deals, but smaller ones. So even did some analysis on that. So the last thing I want to do is create a task in Salesforce for me to follow up on the oil and gas enterprise expansion. So it's not just reading data, but it's also writing data. So it's getting the opportunity information, and then it's going to create a task based on its analysis of the opportunity using SQL again to do that. So the CData CLI tool, again, it was released to help developers, agents, AI coding assistants build apps on top of CData's drivers. So you're using AI, using LLMs to help you build, but then you're distributing something that has no AI dependencies. You can also use that CLI tool alongside CData's drivers to create a desktop assistant experience. Nothing specific. Asking if it wanted me to adjust the due date or priority. So it's created the task. Now I can follow up with Continental Oil and Gas. So the CData CLI tool is available. Go to cdata.com/solutions/CLI to see the terminal commands to install it. Get working with it alongside your favorite coding assistant. I'm in Claude Code, but it's compatible with any terminal, any IDE, any LLM-powered assistant. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build next.